Good evening, traders. I hope you all had a nice weekend. I have taken some nice badass trades. Please make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. And we have a decent amount of audience there. I'll be coming live and trade with you guys. And if you have any questions, I'll answer it straight there and then, which will be much more easier and quicker to get back to you. That when we do a live session, we can all trade together and you can ask me questions there and then. So let's start with today's video of natural gas and silver analysis, and let's find out what's going to happen on Monday trading session. So right now here you can see the market has broken below this ascending trend line, broken the support of this trend line, as I have told in my previous video. Let's go and quickly check what I've said in my previous video. It won't be long. Condition, if the market breaks below this level, and wait, do not just enter straight away when the market break below this level. Wait for the retest of this level again. Wait for the bearish candle, bearish pressure channel, and then the market might move back towards this level, at least this level here, towards 50 EMA. So right, exactly, the market broke below this level, retest this level, retest the support line, and then ended up touching 50 EMA, but we still need to see if this candle will close below 50 EMA to get another entry. Also, one more thing to look at, these are the daily level of supports I have marked already for you guys, and this here in the red is a daily level of resistance. This level has acted as a resistance and a support here as well, so it makes this a valid zone to trade. So what to expect next from natural gas? So right now the market has broken below this trend line, and what to see next? We need to see if the market won't open in the gap, then we need to see the market coming back to this level. This level is now acting as a support. So for buying trade, we need to see a test of this level, and we need to see a bounce. And engulfer entry, we need to see, as always, double bottom, not this bottom, with an engulfing entry towards this level, which is 5.293. So that's the case if you want to buy this market, if you want to buy natural gas. So what to do if you want to short the market, if you want to sell natural gas? So make sure, this is a very important point to look at. Do not just sell at this point because you see the market is coming down. There's a saying that never catch a falling knife, it bleeds you bad. So just do not just enter straight here when you see the market falling down, and it might come at this level and bounce back up again. So only sell the market when you see this candle close below here. Wait for the retest of this level. After the retest is done, wait for the next engulfer candle. So when you have that entry, then enter at this point, and then you can take your profit till here, which is 4.945. So that's the case of selling the market. So let's go and check silver quickly. Right, so here you can see we had a nice trade on the last trading session. I have given you guys to sell at this point up to this level, and the target has been hit. So let's go back quickly and see what I've said in my last video. It won't be long, just 5 to 10 seconds. Bear with me, please. This level or this level, unless we have an entry condition like a double bottom entry here, or we have an engulfer entry straight after getting a bearish entry. Right, so as predicted, the market has hit this level, and I've said in my previous analysis that we'll be looking for buying entries when we hit this level here. Now I'll be looking for buy entries once. So let's see if the market won't open in gap, then we need to see this candle close above this previous candle, or we need to see a double bottom engulfing entry towards 22.978. That would be your TP1, or 23.303. That would be your TP2. So what I do, I take multiple positions. I open two positions. One, I set up my TP1 to the certain target, then I move my stop loss to break even and let the other position run towards the next TP. So like that, you can run your trade risk free. So I've also uploaded the video on how to take multiple targets. So if you want to see that, I'll put the link there as well. We still don't have any condition. The market can still go towards this level here and give us an engulfer entry or a double bottom entry from here. So this level here is a very powerful level, of support, because if you see in the past, this level has been respected quite a lot. So here you can see the market has respected this level just recently here, and the market ended up moving all the way up towards this level, the next resistance. Here, if you go back here, this level, we have, like I always say, we need to see an engulfer entry. So you see this engulfer candle, market has given a nice engulfing candle here, nice engulfing entry condition, and the market ended up moving all the way up here. Here you can see an engulfer entry and market ended up moving here. So next engulfing entry here. So this level is a very powerful level, guys. Really need to look for an entry condition. Do not just enter anywhere else. Like I always say, do not enter anywhere else, and always put your stop loss. So in this case, if we have an entry, then place your stop loss just below this level here, which is 21.446. If the market gave us an entry here, even if we have an entry here, then you can also keep your stop loss, as I mentioned before, right at this level. Just wait for an entry condition on both natural gas and silver. When we have an entry condition, I'll upload another video to tell you exact entry points. I hope you trade green next week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.